And I'm going to again do a ½ inch between view to the top view, just to move us along. And if I take my top view here, Randy, do I have to go all the way across?
Yes.
Do I?
No.
I can, but I don't have to because there's no more information over here that I need. Everything I need is going to be up in here. So you wouldn't, that's why it's a construction line. You wouldn't zing them, but you don't want any more drawings on the lines that you have to. So I'm going to take my space for my top view. And then I'm going to give the pen to Ollie. And I'm going to say, if this is the front view, here comes the top. Okay, what I'd like you to do as best you can is draw top view. We agree? Most part? These are for kids who just can't keep that sketching thing out of, they can kind of keep that addiction to sketching good. And so I'm looking at the top view. We agree it should look like that. Now I have to look at my drawing and see if I'm looking at the top view. Where is that corner right there? That corner for the front view is right here, right? Nothing in here. So where is that corner in the top view? And you may go A, B, C, or D. And if I flip the block up, it would be right there. Because that corner is shared with this corner. So I already have this line in place. I have these two lines in place, right? So all I need to know is where is that line right there? How far is it from here to here? 2 inches. So I take my ruler. You're up 2 inches using the construction line. And now I should have a top view. Looking over at the right side, distance between views, I already placed it. What's the distance between view? ½ an inch. Right? And now where is this corner? Make sure that you're looking up here so that you can answer the question. This corner right here on the right side. My lower left hand, lower left hand. This right here goes up. This line's here, coming back. This line's here. I'm missing this line. How far is it from here to here?
2 inches.
2 inches. This is isometric, this is orthographic. So the thing I'm missing now is my visible lines, or object lines. Very good. So here's the only trick, is that you want students, again, starting from the top, to darken in exactly, and they draw it one time. They don't color it, but they darken in the object line. And again, making it flow. Notice I use the same skills, starting and stopping, going over one time. I don't go back and forth. When I get to this point, I actually draw 2 lines, correct? I need to draw those lines at the same time. Meaning I don't box in my front view and then come over here, because my object now will start to look a different shape or different size. So if I get a chance to share information on the construction line, then I don't move the triangle, and that way I get a uniform look going across. But if you do it another way, sometimes it'll be a little bit higher or floating on the line and underline, and it'll be obvious in a drawing like this. Same for the bottom. You notice I've done the horizontal lines first, and then I come back across. And the right side view, because left-handed people will smudge this, but there's my drawing. And again, you might make this an exemplar, put it up on the wall, to check later on, and then have students' exemplars, swap in and out.